Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with logging in using your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will see the press to play option. Now before you start your game, if you wish to change your language, just tap on the gear icon at the right side and you will be taken into the settings page. From here, just tap on language at the left menu, and now you can change the game language as well as the voice language that you hear within the game. Just click on the drop down menu and then choose from the list of available languages that you see within. Just tap on your preferred language and you can do the same for the voice languages as well. Once you choose your preferred language, the game will restart, and now when the game restarts, the language will be changed to the one you selected, and when you start your game, the voice languages will also be changed into the one that you chose. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.